the requirements for graduation. I therefore certify that they have successfully satisfied the requirements of their respective degrees prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and are now ready for presentation and conferment.
Mr. President, honorable members of the Board of Regents, our commencement speaker, key officials of this university, esteemed faculty and staff, honored guests, and proud parents and guardians, good afternoon. Mr. President, on behalf of Northeastern Mindanao State University, Bislig Campus, I hereby submit this petition to confer the respective degrees upon the candidates as attested by the registrar for the following degrees: 69 candidates for Bachelor of Science or Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English; 14 candidates for Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering; 21 candidates for Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering; 19 candidates for Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, major in Electrical Technology; 33 candidates for Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering; 46 candidates of Bachelor of Science in Forestry. A total of 202 candidates have completed the requirements for graduation. Their successful completion of all academic requisites has been thoroughly verified and documented, affirming their eligibility for graduation. Mr. President, they await the conferment of the respective degrees.
By the authority vested in me by the Honorable Board of Regents of the Northeastern Mindanao State University, and upon the recommendation of the Joint Academic and Administrative Councils of this university, I hereby confer upon you the 202 graduates of NEMSU Bislig Campus the degrees and titles for which you have been presented with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. Congratulations, class of 2024. You are now officially graduates of the Northeastern Mindanao State University. We wish you all the success in your future endeavors. Thank you, at mabuhay kayo. A resounding applause for our graduates.
The introduction of the commencement speaker by the NEMSU Bislig Research Head, Dr. Anastasia